Everyone's talking about cloud computing these days, and there's a number of different descriptions floating around. I think of cloud computing as simplified offline storage that can be accessed by any device. What do you think cloud computing means to a solution provider like Compugen and to a customer?
Well, from a data center perspective, I think of it as removing all the wires and traditional connectivity. Now, instead of reaching out to a specific server with specific data and applications in a specific location, we tap into the cloud where the physical server and its location are irrelevant.
Practically everyone uses cloud computing in their personal lives, and more it's making its way into corporate data centers.
And there are so many of those devices, smartphones, tablets, people are using in their personal lives now coming into the office.
And because of their personal experience with cloud, people are expecting to access corporate data and applications through those same devices. Effectively managing these devices is a new challenge. Personal devices have flooded most work environments over the last couple of years, and IT's initial reaction was to deal with them on an ad hoc basis. However, with the proliferation of these devices, we now have to address them far more formally.
Did you know that almost every CIO surveyed in 2011 is dealing with a huge issue in terms of consumer and personally owned devices, from cell phones to tablets and personal PCs and everything in between?
We see it here as well. We've had to address areas such as data security, support costs, connectivity issues, program management. In other words, who pays for what. You need to identify the challenges so that you can deal with them.
Well, it seems inevitable, and it's not just about risk, but opportunity as well. Leading edge organizations are seeing it as a benefit for end users, being productive on the devices they prefer whenever and wherever they want to work. It may also drive investment in better management tools, like the Microsoft System Center suite.
But as you know, it's difficult to understand how it all works until you see it in action and play with it. That's why we've developed our cloud immersion experience.
Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, we've developed a portable lab with HP laptops, portable end-user devices, Microsoft and Citrix virtualization software, system center management tools, so it can go where there's a need. And then we take that lab, interested people, we put them with a technology expert, and then we work through some common scenarios. Things like end-user enablement and access, the capabilities of private cloud, data center management, and then we add some conversation around competing technologies, some food, and we have a formula for a stimulating and informative event.
Good.
So what are best-in-class organizations doing about inherently risky devices like iOS tablets?
We're asking our end users for enhanced passcodes, but we don't actively manage them, and we don't require auto-wiping after 10 failed attempts. We're not sure about our compliance level.